In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates in Keap. First, log into your Keap CRM dashboard. Once you're inside the account, head to the main navigation and click on Marketing. This is where Keap groups together tools for reaching your audience, managing campaigns, and creating email content. From there, select Email Broadcasts. This feature is used to create one-time marketing emails that you can send to a list or segment of contacts. It's also a useful place to build reusable email layouts, which makes future campaigns much faster to create. Next, click Create Email Broadcast. When the setup options appear, go directly to Create Content. This takes you straight into the email editor, where you can focus on building the design and message first before worrying about the rest of the broadcast settings. Inside the editor, click My Templates, then choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean blank layout, which is perfect when you want full control over the structure and wording of your template. Now begin adding your content. In this example, start by inserting a heading. The heading is the main title of your email, so keep it clear and relevant to the type of message you plan to reuse later. After entering the heading, choose Remove Formatting. This is helpful if any text styling looks inconsistent, because it clears extra formatting and gives you a cleaner, more uniform design. After that, add the body of your email template. This is where you'll write the main content that you want to use again in future broadcasts. Try to keep the wording flexible enough that it can work for similar campaigns later on. If needed, add a signature as well. A signature helps personalize the email and can make your message feel more professional and complete, especially if your template is meant for customer communication. Once you're done editing the template, click the three-dot menu beside Save and Exit, then select Save as Template. Enter a template name that will be easy to recognize later. It's a good idea to use a simple descriptive name so you can quickly find it when building future emails. Then, click Save. After that, click Save and Exit to leave the editor. Go back to Email Broadcasts and check that your newly created template is available. To test it, click Create Email Broadcast again. Go directly to Create Content, then open My Templates and select the template you just created. And that's how you create an email template using Email Broadcast in Keap. Once your template is saved, you can reuse the same design and structure in future campaigns to save time and keep your emails consistent. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.